how to log in to Skype account. So if you want to log into your Skype account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Skype, and after searching, on the upper right corner you will have a sign in option. Click on sign in and then click on my account. And now you have to first enter your email address, but if you don't have a Skype account, then you can click on create one and then you can create your account. And after entering your email, you can click on next, and then here you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can click on forgot password and then you can reset or recover your password. And after entering your password, click on sign in. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now click on yes. And that's it. That's how you log into your Skype account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.